Now, there's a couple areas that we wanted to talk about in relationship to growth, which again is how do they help you grow your business? But we want to think bigger picture. We want to start with the end in mind. How do they help you grow your wealth? How do they help you create residual income without trading time for money? So what is residual income? A lot of people will confuse passive income and residual income. Passive income means you just didn't do anything for it. Residual income means you still had to invest some type of time, money, and resource into that thing at one point in time. But after that initial investment is made, it continues to pay you over and over and over again. And that's what we have here with a revenue share model at LPT Realty, is it allows you to create residual income. So that's money that continues to flow after an initial investment of time and resources have been completed. How do we do that? We do that with revenue share. So that's your initial investment. You're investing your time, your energy, and your resources into sharing this model, which is all that agent attraction is sharing everything that we've shared with you, because we think that the data and everything that we do speaks for itself. We don't need to recruit anyone. We believe that we have such a powerful system, people are going to be flocking to it. We just need to let them know what's available and why it is so powerful. So that's really what it is here. So how does revenue share work if you're not familiar? So you share the LPT model with other agents. Some of those agents decide that it's the right fit for them as well, and they join LPT Realty, and now you are their sponsor and they're in your tier 1 level of revenue share. They get excited about the model. They share the model with other people. Other agents join underneath of them. So the agents that you recruited now have tier 1 agents, and those agents become your tier 2 agents. And we are allowed to do this all the way down to 7 levels. So you recruit somebody, you attract someone, they attract someone, and that goes down 7 levels. And the way this generally tends to work is those bottom levels tend to be the biggest. And so that's why it's so powerful that we have all 7 levels that you can go down to. So how do you actually get paid on that? So when you sell a home, when any agent sells a home, 50% of the revenue that's brought in from that, depending on the comp plan that you're on, if you're a business builder, that's going to be up to a $5,000 cap. If you're a rev share partner, that's going to be up to your $15,000 cap. But the split that you have, whether it's the $500 or the 80-20 split, is going to go to the company, and that's going to get split in half. Half of it's going to go to the company so that we can continue to provide all of these tools and all of these resources to you, and know at a fundamental level that we are a profitable and sustainable business because we have recurring revenue coming in from our agents that is dedicated to the company's profit to pay for all these systems. The other half of that revenue gets distributed to the agents, to the owners of the company. And so that's going to get split up across those 7 levels at a different percentage. I've got a chart here on the screen so you can kind of see how that revenue gets split up for each transaction. So all of those add up to 100%, and that's for every single transaction. So let's take an example here of how it actually works. So someone down here on your level 7, they sell a house, they get a deal. Awesome. Everyone above them that is eligible to receive that rev share, meaning they're a rev share partner, is going to get paid their proportional amount based on what tier that particular person happened to fall in. So here you can see that of these, of the 7 people here, 5 of them got paid. Now 2 of them elected to be on the business builder model, so they voluntarily forfeit their ability to receive those revenue share dollars, but they're doing so in exchange for that lower cap, for that $5,000 cap. So that's something that for them, until they decide to make that switch over to the rev share partner, they're going to continue to forfeit those dollars, but they can continue to attract more agents and build that revenue to the point that it finally makes sense for them to make that switch over. And then it's a simple phone call. Hey, switch me over from a rev share partner to a business, from a business builder to a rev share partner. And now the next month when those revenue share checks come in, you're actually getting those put right into your account. So that's how it works. What does it look like in reality? What kind of dollars do these actually equate to? So we're going to take that last example of someone on your 7th tier, and they're going to sell a house. So let's say it's a $500,000 house at a 3% commission rate. So there's $15,000 in total commission that was earned. Now, they were a rev share partner, and so there was an 80-20 split. So of that, $3,000 went to the brokerage. Now that $3,000 is going to get split to where half is going to corporate, half is going to the rev share pool. So of that, because of someone at a level 7, you're getting paid 20% of that amount that went into the rev share pool. That $1,500 times the 20% is $300 directly to you as someone who, frankly, at a level 7, you may have never met this person before. There's a chance you don't even know who this person is, But they sold a house, the company made money, and you made money, and everyone between them and you also made money on that. And so that's what we say when we talk about a rising tide raises all ships. Agents that you don't even know who are selling houses can directly benefit your bank account, not only in rev share, but also in stock. And so that's huge, and that's part of why agent collaboration is so huge here. So how do you attract agents? Because a lot of people say, I just want to sell real estate. I don't want to deal with agent attraction. And you may be the kind of agent who says, hey, I see the massive opportunity based on other models that have done this, and this is something I want to go all in on. Regardless of where you fall on the spectrum, we offer resources to make it easier because we really are real estate first. And we want you to spend the bulk of your time focused on selling real estate. So we try to make it as easy as possible to attract agent. How do we do that? A couple different ways. Personalized attraction material. So the same way that we have those personalized branding assets for selling homes, we also provide you with personalized branded assets to attract agents. And this is really just, again, sharing the information about the model. How does it work? What are the structure? What are the fees? What are the comp plans? We give you a personal agent attraction website. So this is going to be yourname.lpt.com. So when you get somebody who's like, hey, that looks like a model I'd want to be a part of, give me some more information. This is a website you can send them to that's going to give them more information about the model. And when they fill in their information on the screen that you see right here, that's going to trigger corporate to go ahead and reach out. A recruiter from corporate will reach out to them, see what additional questions that they have so that you don't have to be the expert. That's the whole thing here. All you need to do is invite. That's what attraction is. It's just inviting someone to learn more about the model, and we can take care of the rest of it from there, whether it's through the Zoom calls that we do, the agent attraction calls. There's ways that all you need to do is invite people and let everyone handle everything else. How else do we do it? Recruit assist. When you sell homes, LPT Realty is going to market on behalf of you to the agent that's on the other side of the table to see if they would have interest in joining LPT Realty as well. Because again, a lot of the tools and resources that you have available, there's agents out there who want that same thing. But we want you staying focused on selling more homes. So LPT Realty at the corporate level is going to take care of that by marketing that agent, giving them information about the model, and then taking it from there. Corporate LPT rallies. This is something that, again, I don't see any other brokerages doing, where we want to share that. All we're asking you to do is invite people, and we want to share the information about LPT with them with essentially a lunch and learn. So you're going to extend an invitation to say, hey, we've got a rally in Naples this coming Friday. If you want to learn more about the model, check it out, and there's a free lunch involved. So we're going to have speakers there that know the model inside and out, that can really answer any kind of questions and give all the information to people who may have interest in the model to see if it's the right fit for them. All you're doing is extending an invitation, and we're taking it from there. Hey everybody, thanks so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed that video and learned a little bit more about LPT Realty. This video is just one clip that was taken out of our full-length LPT Realty Explained video, where AJ and I go into all the details, start to finish, about what LPT Realty is, what it has to offer, so you can make a better decision about whether it might be the right fit for you. If you want to check out the full video that this clip came from, go ahead and click right here, and that'll take you to that video. And if you do want to consider partnering with AJ and I here at LPT Realty and Elevated Agents, we would love to connect with you. Click on the link down in the description box below, and that'll give you the opportunity to set up a one-on-one Zoom call with us personally, so we can get face-to-face, learn a little bit more about you, what you're trying to do, and see if we might be a good fit to work together. Look forward to seeing you on a Zoom and on the next video.